Volume meets precision.
Every shawarma begins with careful responsibility. Quality starts with healthy conditions.
Calm handling protects the process. That's it, yes. Order begins before transport.
Every movement is planned.
Preparation safeguards freshness. Nothing moves without confirmation. From farm to facility, motion takes over. Raw ingredients move toward transformation.
Distance is crossed with consistency.
Fresh air protects freshness. Control continues on the road. Infrastructure signals arrival.
Entry marks responsibility transfer.
Movement is guided, not rushed.
Keep coming back. Easy now.
Accuracy prevents error.
Containment ensures hygiene. The facility receives its load. Transport ends where processing begins. This is where food safety meets scale. Temperature control begins immediately. Clean environments protect every step. Flow is regulated before processing. Calm conditions preserve quality. Precision controls pace.
Confirm.
Final checks prevent compromise.
The core of the factory awaits. Systems synchronize for production. Processing officially begins. Nothing remains uncontrolled. Human eyes verify machine work. Temperature stabilizes quality. Uniformity starts with measurement. Consistency improves efficiency. Precision corrects small imperfections. Cleanliness is reaffirmed. Neatness is reaffirmed. Preparation gives way to transformation.
Flavor begins with controlled infusion.
Balance defines taste.
Time and pressure work together.
Flavor is now part of the structure.
Consistency continues forward. Uniform cuts ensure even cooking. Speed meets precision.
Verification prevents inconsistency.
Freshness is preserved under control. Preparation is complete. Form prepares flavor for fire.
Balance ensures even cooking.
Heat becomes the final sculptor. Time and motion create perfection. Control replaces guesswork.
Readiness is released layer by layer.
Cooking never pauses.
Stability follows heat.
Safety is confirmed, not assumed.
The heart of cooking.
Bread prepares the foundation. Balance defines every layer. Freshness meets warmth. The core finds its place. Consistency is engineered.
Shape completes the assembly.
Form is locked in place.
Protection meets presentation. Human eyes confirm perfection.
Automation carries it forward. Stability begins at the surface. Every portion is exact.
Uniformity is refined.
Details determine trust.
Safety is silently confirmed.
Balance is maintained to the end. Traceability is permanent.
Confidence is built by sight.
Order prepares for volume.
Finishing gives way to dispatch. Quality control begins before approval.
Presentation reflects discipline.
Verification requires evidence.
Safety is measured at the core.
Cleanliness is scientifically confirmed.
Stability prevents degradation.
Data secures accountability.
Approval clears the path forward. Quality now waits for delivery. Freshness is preserved before departure. Stability is secured.
Every unit is accounted for. Integrity is protected in transit.
Distribution takes shape.
Time pauses in controlled cold. Paperwork clears the route. From preparation to delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce chicken shawarma from start to finish.